Hello guys, I am Gaurav Ketanladi. Today I am going to teach you a very small part of coding decoding which is called letter coding. You know, everyone knows that in the competitive examinations coding decoding is a very important chapter in the reasoning part. Now 3 to 4 questions from almost every year comes from this particular chapter, and from there 1 or 2 come from letter coding. This is very important. And in letter coding there are 3 different techniques. Those are called position shifting, alphabetical position shifting, and position inverse, which we are going to learn today. Position inverse is almost a different kind of alphabetical position shifting, but position shifting is completely different. You know, coding decoding, when we just try to learn things from coding decoding, there can be various techniques, there can be various patterns, but we can just sort out the patterns and we can hence create this kind of names like position shifting, alphabetical position shifting. But before all these, we have to learn very common 3 rules. Some of you know these or some of you may not know this. Now the thing is, we have to learn 3 rules. The first rule is called EJOT. Okay, the first rule is called EJOT. E J O T Y. This rule is called EJOT. Why this is called EJOT? EJOT, if you just see these letters, you can see that is E is actually the 5th letter, J is the 10th letter of alphabet, O is the 15th letter, T is the 20th letter, and Y is the 25th letter of the alphabet. And if you just mirror, if you just see the mirror reflection of the total alphabetical order, then just the opposite thing will be VQLGB. VQLGB. These are easy to remember. Okay, these are very easy to remember. This is actually the mirror reflection of the alphabetical order. Or we can see, if you count from the opposite way, then V comes in the 5th letter, then Q comes at the 10th position, L comes in the 15th position, G comes in the 20th position, and B comes in the 25th position. This is just the mirror of the alphabetical order. So why do we actually learn this? Because for certain cases, I will give you examples. For these particular cases, I will give you examples, 3 examples for 3 particular letter codings, and then you can see that EJOT is very important in case of coding decoding things, and also in case of alphabetical series things. Okay, now if you can't remember EJOT, you can remember one thing certainly, that is called Cephalorhux. Cephalorhux, that sounds like something a kind of medicine. Okay, so it is Cephalorhux, and this is actually the order of 3, which can be easily remembered because it is 3rd letter, it is 6th letter, it is 9th letter, 12th letter, 15th letter, 18th letter, 21st letter, and 24th letter. As easy, because if you just mirror the alphabetical order, it will remain the palindrome of the thing, or the inverse of the thing. It remains like that: X U R O L I F C, which is called Eurolifts. Just the opposite of that. And if you can see, this is the mirror positions of these particular things: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. This thing is actually, you can remember this one, and this will be the inverse of that. You don't have to remember that, you just remember this one. For this you have to remember both these things, and they are of fifth order, 5, 10, 15, 20, and these are in the threes order. Okay, 3, 6, 12. This is the two rules, and the final third rule is rule of 27, which is very you can be amazed that actually there are 26 letters in the alphabet, in the English alphabet, and rule of 27 says that each letter and its mirror positions letter, if you sum the positions of these two, if you add the positions of these two, then the sum will always be 27. You can see A, the mirror place is Z, A's position is 1 and Z's position is 26. So if you add them, you can find 27. If you see C, C is the third letter, and X is the 24th letter. If you add them, you can find 27. This is the rule of 27, which is very important in the case of coding and decoding. Now we can go through these particular 3 letter coding sections, and we will have each one example and try to solve that. Suppose for position shifting, I will try to teach the particular method by providing an example. Okay, now for the first thing, position shifting, there is an example. It's called, in a certain code, it nietam is the code for intimate. Then what is the code for invertebrate? Now if you write that down, it is I T N I E T A M. This is the code for intimate. I N T I M A T E. If you can see, you can easily see that if you divide these two in a certain, if you just divide these two in a certain particular manner, then you can see this is, in every side it is just the mirror. Every side it is just the mirror. Just the mirror. You can see it is just the mirror. ITNI, and this is ITNI. The same way, MATE, MATE, just the mirror. Actually, first of all, this particular thing is divided into two halves, and then each half is mirrored. Now they have asked you what is the code for invertebrate. You can see in IN VERTI BRATE. Now you can see how many letters are there in invertebrate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you can divide it into two particular parts, 6 in a certain part, then you can see, then you can just mirror them. You can just mirror them, and you can find that this will be TREVNI, and this will be ETARBI. So this is the code for invertebrate in this particular coding manner. So this is the position shifting. The positions of that particular alphabet is shifted in certain way. It can be like that. Just if you see the example, then you can see ITNI, how is it shifted? It becomes INTY, and it is shifted in that particular way. This is shifted here, this is shifted there, this is shifted here, this is shifted here. So you can see it is shifting. It can be like ITNI, it can be shifted in a certain, that particular way. You have to find the pattern, nothing but that. You have to find the pattern, and if you find the pattern, you will find the answer. This is very easy. So this is position shifting. Okay, now this position shifting can be happened in a manner where actually the position of the alphabet is getting shifted, and you have to find that particular coding technique. I will give you an example. Like, there is a certain code in which picture is written as picture, P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture is written as Q-H-D, S-V-Q-F. Why actually we are telling this particular method alphabetical position shifting? Because if you just see this, P is just the Q is just the afterword of P, so you can, it is the position which has shifted in an alphabetical manner, and it has shifted one particular unit. And now if we see at H, then H is actually the before, so we can say that is -1 position shifted before, and this is again you can see +1, and this is again you can see -1, and this is again you can see +1, this is again you can see -1, and this is again you can see +1. So the pattern of this particular position shifting or alphabetical position shifting is +1 and -1. And they have asked you what is the code for browser. If you write that down, B-R-O-W-S-E-R, it started with +1, so we will start that also with +1. So B +1, C R -1, Q O +1, P W -1, V S +1, T E -1, D R +1 S. So this will be the code for browser in that particular certain code. And for position inverse, you have to know the rule of 27. If you find the rule of 27, this is very easy. You can easily see that they have asked you a question. They have given you in a certain code, bat is written as YZG. In a certain code, bat is written as YZG. And what will be the code for sick? S-I-C-K, sick. And if you go with that, you can easily see position of B under Staphylococcus, position of B is 2, position of A is 1, and Staphylococcus R-U-X. And what is the position of U? Position of U is 21. And what is the position of T? R-U-X. You have find that, na? From this you can easily see that U is 21, so T must be 20. So if you just find the inverse option, it is the 27th rule. We have already learned that. So 2 plus 25, that must be 25. 1 plus 26, that must be 26. 20 plus 7, that must be 7. And if you just follow the same order in case of sick, if you just see S is 19, you can easily see. If you just follow I is here, which is 9. C is 3, and K is what? K is 11. Now 27th rule, the positions of the code will be obviously 8, 18, 24 and 16. Now find that who is 8 actually? H is 8. Who is 18 actually? R is 18 actually. 24, who is 24? It is X. And who is 16? O is 15, so 16 must be P. So HRXP will be the code for sick in that particular manner. This is all for today. This is the letter coding part, where I have already told you position shifting, alphabetical position shifting and position inverse, 3 patterns of questions can arise, can come, and this is one particular pattern where you can see things like letter coding and position shifting and alphabetical position shifting and position inverse. Thank you for this lecture. Thank you for following this particular lecture, and be practicing. It will help you. I will be on again and will give you some other lectures for your